and welcome to Hannover Messe 2025. We are here at our booth and I'm joined by two experts today, Enrico Zanusso and Martino Caranti. Both are here today at our stage. They will share some exciting innovations and insights in their creating of wine production and software development. So, would you both please give a short introduction today about yourself?
Okay, thank you Ronai for the introduction. Thank you Martino for the invitation. I'm Enrico Zanusso. I'm the head of automation in processing division of Omnia Technologies. Omnia Technologies is a big Italian group that include more than 30 companies. That means more or less 40 brands, Italian brands, specific on food and beverage solution. I'm representing the processing division where we have 15 brands and we produce plant and machineries for different business units. One of these is the wine, then we have beer, we have soft drinks, oil and fat, and water treatment.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ronai. I'm Martino Caranti, software sales leader at Emerson. We help our customers in their digital journey to understand, first of all, their needs, to try to overcome their challenges, and to deliver real-world results.
Thank you so much both for your introduction. Very nice to have you here today. So, before we start, can you explain, Enrico, what practical challenges you were facing when you decided to create the iWinery?
So iGet Winery is a project started 5 years ago in the time of Industry 4.0. And we started this project with the idea to serve the requirement of Industry 4.0 and especially to create an MES software, okay, to support our customer for the Industry 4.0. Then we decide to move up and include all the solution softwares that we have inside all the brands of Omnia and create one big platform that include, okay, MES, but also other solution, okay, at the scope not only to simplify, integrate all operation related to the production, logistic, and traceability, but also to help the customer to improve the quality of his wine in the specific of the wineries.
Thank you so much, Enrico. Martino, can you talk a little bit about how Emerson's floor-to-cloud approach has supported the Omnia Group overcoming these challenges?
Sure. First of all, let me say that Omnia Group is a world-class OEM leader in beverage technology, both packaging and processing. So understanding their needs, first of all, was the real key pillar of our activity and the start of a fruitful cooperation. And we based then our solutions on 4 key pillars. The first one being the innovative solution. So a 3D eye-catching graphical interface was key to create a distinctive platform for them to differentiate on their respective markets. So for our customers, it's very important to differentiate from the very beginning in their really market. So after this, the second point was really the open solution. So I feel this is a key pillar because we have a software solution that can connect all different sensors, all different valves, all different software and hardware layers from Emerson and from third parties. And this is a key element in our offering. A software that becomes a hardware independent solution that also becomes a software independent solution, so to connect to all MES, ERP or cloud systems from third parties. This is the very essence of Emerson Floor to Cloud. But then we have the third pillar, that is the secure part. And having a software solution that is IEC 62443 natively certified, that is compliant with machine directive, with NIS2, with GAMP 5 and CFR 21 Part 11 for the pharma applications, is really an industrial proof technology that we can provide to our customer. And finally, the scalable solution. The scalable solution allows us to provide one solution for multiple applications. Wineries are not all equal, and users are different. So we need one tool, one application, one solution for multiple end user applications, and one licensing industrial proof model. This is what we provide with Movicon-based solution, and this is the Movicon-based solution we provided to Omnia Group to enable their operational efficiencies. Then Omnia Group and Enrico and his team in particular did the magic.
Great, thank you so much for the insights, Martino. Enrico, can you explain how your project fits in the floor-to-cloud approach of Emerson?
We are compliant, let's say, with the floor-to-cloud approach. Our platform uses the high flexibility that we have with Movicon.NExT and allow the end user to manage different operations. For example, product traceability, logs, events, or various operations that we do in the plant in manual mode or automatic mode can be traced by Movicon.NExT. Thanks to the full stack of drivers that we have inside Movicon.NExT, we can connect easily with our machines that the customer can already have in the company, or we can easily interface also with third parties, other companies that are supplying machines to our customer. We can integrate everything. And as we are a group, the first focus in this new project was exactly to try to find a solution easy to use from one side and open, totally open, okay, that can integrate everything easily.
Great.
Yeah.
So, thank you, Enrico, for the insights. Can you share any improvements that your customers, your special customers, have seen, like better performance or energy and cost savings thanks to the solution, or how this collaboration translated into better service and value for your customers?
Our customers recognize in our solution mainly the fact that they can increase productivity, okay, spending less time to record everything they do in the winery, okay, manually. Now they can do everything in automatic mode. Everything can be recorded in automatic mode, and this for the customer means gain time and then gain money, okay? Then, as I said before, another thing is they can increase the quality of the product, because inside our system we are now including also a project of AI on wine fermentation, okay? And so then we can be very fine to produce good wine and spend don't lose time for the wine production. So we can say exactly when the fermentation is finished, and for the customer mean, okay, a lot of time and a lot of money more than.
And you can plan better.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Also for the warehouse, we have the management of the warehouse of the winery, and so then the customer can have an exact focus of what he has on the warehouse, okay, and this is a very reduction of money for customer.
Yeah, very important fact. Cost savings are always important, right? How do you see the evolution of this technology in future?
In future, and for us, main points are machine learning. Okay, so then we want to collect data to try to create something useful for the machine learning. And next to this, we have the AI. We already have in the team a couple of projects. One is for wine, for presses for wine. One is, as I said before, is for wine fermentation. These projects are already in use in our group and will be the future of our, let's say, automation software and digital. These are the two main focus that we would like to improve and optimize in the future. And then also we don't want to stay, let's say, in the wine, okay, but we want to move our solution also in other business unit of our group. Let's say, for example, in beverage, but also in oil and fat. Everywhere we want to extend our solution.
Oh, very exciting. So you're going to expand it.
Yeah.
Great, great. Yeah, I think we know now the process of I Get Wineries. Thank you so much, Martino and also Enrico, for being here today, for your expertise, for being here at Hannover Messe 2025, and for the Omnia Group and the collaboration between Emerson and Omnia Group. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ronai.